I get in now?
Nope, not yet.
This ought to be good.
Because it makes it easier getting in. Tuck that. Perfect. You know what it's doing.
Yes, it's loaded.
Okay. You guys went up the film now?
Is this what it's for? To keep your hair out of
It's
here?
also a sanitary thing too. We share all the helmets with everybody.
You share these things with everyone too.
Nope, they're all clean.
Oh, they are?
We wash them every time. And they
Oh,
The gentleman that got out of here was.
Wait, I had to put my...
Yeah.
What?
Can I put my...
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go. Good? Excited?
Yeah! This is the most exciting thing I've ever done.
Alright, we get you in. Go ahead, slide on in.
Whoa! Whoa!
Hey,
This
Pete,
is tight quarters.
what happened to the other ride car? What happened to the other ride car?
Tiny. Hey, have you ever had anybody too fat? They can't get in?
Yep.
No.
Yep. Well, we make them fit.
Little butter, you know.
A little butter?
Bill, she's been dying to ride with you
Right here.
all morning.
M&M. I want to get everything M&M now. This is like the thrill of my life.
Lauren, this is Bill. Bill, is it Lauren or
Marlin.
Laurelyn? Sorry, I apologize for that.
Like Marilyn.
Marilyn, Laurelyn.
You can leave that up if you want because you got glasses on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you put the DVD player?
Not yet. Did you give it to me?
It's already in there.
Wait, is this the camera?
Nope.
Tight.
Good. Yeah.
Damn.
Good and tight.
Jay,
Don't forget the clipboard in the front.
Jared,
Yeah.
can we do tires?
Oh, I can't hear you. What now?
I said since we gotta wait for the van, can we do tires?
Yeah.
You do this all day long?
Pretty much.
Do you like it?
No, I hate it.
No!
It's one of those jobs, you know,
You love it. You love it. Oh my God.
I hate it because I get paid to love what I do, do what I love, you know.
Yes. That's wonderful. Can I hold on to this? What do I hold on
You can
to?
hold on to here or you can hold on to the side of the seat or whichever. Just don't grab me.
I won't. I promise. The only thing I'm afraid of is driving so close to the wall.
We won't be that close because it's so windy today.
Oh,
It's pushing the car towards the wall right now.
okay. So we won't get that close?
Started. Straight
We
tires.
usually get close.
To the left, to the left. I ain't talking Beyonce.
Straight over here.
Brand new. Are you driving the car?
Yeah.
That's okay.
Are they going to change the tires?
No, we check them all the time just to make sure we don't have any tires that are getting bald.
Yeah. So they're checking it? Okay.
Grabbing that lead.
And I think we need one.
Oh, really?
A little more to the left. There you go.
How fast are we going to go?
Well, we'll do about 160 right in that area. Feel a little bit more to you because you're being on that side. You don't like racing, do you?
What, do I like racing? Yeah! I've only been to a few races though. NASCAR.
Who's your driver?
What?
Do you have a favorite driver or
No. No. Oh, now I'm starting to get nervous.
You'll be fine.
Yeah, okay.
You here with somebody? Driving today or?
My girlfriend and my friend are here taking pictures and stuff.
Are they driving it or?
No, they just brought me because I was too nervous to drive here myself. And they're taking pictures.
They're just changing the tire.
This tire?
Yeah.
Catch his cut. Yeah, no, I got it. That's why I said it.
Yeah, that one.
Okay, why do the tires have to be so wide
The wider the better.
to turn?
Yeah.
You know it's a side by side?
I don't know if he does.
Jared, are these two side by side?
No, I don't think they are.
What? Are these two sides?
These are, right? No. These are, yeah. Maybe he's going.
You go so fast. So what does the camera turn on when you turn on the engine?
Once we get rolling.
Can you talk to them?
What's that?
Do they talk to you? Really?
That's his seawater's not technically.
What do they tell you?
Yeah.
We're still waiting on these. They haven't been bulls yet.